I am Nitamini Samantray, a housewife. I am from Odisha. No fancy lights, no big team, no experience about video editing. Just some rapport, cartoon, color, brush, and deep belief that OS can make wonder. And I started my journey. I learned from my mentor, Ketan Shah. Start before everything. I have uploaded 19 videos till then. And here I learned another lesson to keep going. Don't stop. Keep going step by step. What is that one thing you are passionate about but have not started yet? Let's bring it to life together. I used to wait for validation. Now I created it. I am Jenny. And with my healing hand, I thought ways to wonder. And this is a beautiful thing. This is from ways to wonder. I am showing some of my work. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one.
Wow, the whole community is in love, huh? Everybody showing love. Wow, that's amazing.
Only made from newspaper, sir.
Wow, from newspapers. Wow, that's amazing.
Yes, sir. And this is the box which we saw, the delivery box. And I made it. Also, I would like to continue. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity and recognizing me as your member. Thank you very much, sir. And thank you all who are sitting here and giving me so much energy. Thank you everyone.
I'm Shreya from Karnataka, currently looking for a job. Okay, my intention to join CI is to improve communication and build confidence. I want to become independent in my life. After joining CI, I have attended daily DSP program and done my impromptu communication, LinkedIn mastery, and I optimized my LinkedIn profile. Completed superhero programs. Recently, I got 1 week success mentorship journey certification.
I'm Ranjit. I'm from Kerala. I'm working in a healthcare sector of Manappuram Group. In my career, most of the time I'm dealing with doctors, facilitators, those who are handling international people, and top level managing people in the corporate sectors. During that conversation, sometimes I'm getting stuck and not getting the flow of words. Sometimes I'm getting the content issues, different type of problems when I am communicating. At that time, I want to improve my vocabulary. So I'm searching, the mentor is the right person for improving my career. So I'm searching different preliminary sections of different mentors. At that time I saw Kirtan sir section also. So I know at that time I know that he's the right person for mentoring me. So I'm joining this CI community. Last 40 days I'm here. I'm attending daily success practice. Almost 90% of attendance I have. I'm attending round robin. I'm attending one-to-one section with almost 5 people, and I'm attending communication success mentorship journey also. In that communication success mentorship journey, Kirtan sir introducing one concept that is totally touching about me. So thank you Kirtan sir giving a good opportunity in front of everyone. So after introducing this concept, now my confidence level is improved another 20% level. So thank you everyone.
My name is Sunny Shetty. I'm from Mumbai. I am here since 45 days. So before CI, I was afraid to take action and I was fumbling, hesitated to speak. And after joining CI, I attended DSP daily, completed a book challenge. I have done 20 plus one-to-one communication. Thank you all.
My name is Manisha. I'm from Pune location. My journey in my CI community, so that has improved actually. So that gave me a different platform. Completed around 6 one-to-one communications in the CI community. Then I completed one round robin having a discussions. I also did one video and my new journey on the LinkedIn, because I was never a part of the LinkedIn, and right from the zero to building 50 connections on the LinkedIn with my 20 plus posts on which I consistently do it to improve my knowledge, share the experiences and knowledge I post on the LinkedIn. After joining CI community, I see a lot of improvement in my confidence level as well, and I completed my superhero journey. I completed my high profile mastery, as well as I completed my LinkedIn mastery, and book reading challenge also I completed. There's another thing which is Ninja, where we get to learn a lot of different new words, and that has also helped a lot to improve my vocabulary and use it in a different ways. So I really thank for that CI community. And also this communication journey has realized that staying silent cannot be a way, and it makes you unheard and undervalued at certain situations. So every time you have to keep practicing your success as well, keep the communication up to the mark. So today, if every interaction feels like a bridge, it's just not the words, but it is like empathy, connection, and also it connects with the different people. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.
So my name is Imama. I am from Delhi. So many of us having a clutter mindset. We don't know how to move forward, how to become successful. Sometimes we don't have a mind map. But after joining the CI community, we have a mind map. How should we move? We are not moving randomly. Before joining the CI community, I was having that clutter mind. I don't know how to do things. Yes, everyone have skills, but everyone don't know how to become extraordinary. But this CI community tells us how to become from ordinary to extraordinary. So this is the community where we can share our emotions or thoughts freely without any judgment. Wherever you go, you see some people laughing at you and doing judgment on your speaking, on your vocabulary. So this community helps us to grow, and it is also helped me. Before joining the CI community, I never logged in the LinkedIn account. I don't know how to make the profile, how to post on LinkedIn. But after the CI community, I see there all of the members of CI community are active on the LinkedIn profile. So after that, I created the LinkedIn account. I joined the CI app. I started Ninja also and the superhero programs. In Ninja, I have completed 3 modules, and I joined the DSP live daily, and also completed the communication success journey of 7 days challenge and got the certificate.
Good evening to all. Myself Prasad Joshi, staying in Dombivli, Pune, Mumbai, Maharashtra. I am a working professional and I have 4 years of experience in my career. And before CI, I was having the lack of communication, lack of skills, and to develop new skills, I have joined CI. Can I share the framework for new you and new results? New you principle, that is FTBA principle. F is the feeling. The second is the T stands for thoughts. B stands for belief, and A stands for action. We are here in the CI to develop an action, that is we practice daily DSP. We have attended the many of the July batch and August batch have joined attended the CSMJ, and to develop actions. So what are the beliefs directly shape your decisions and actions. Strong belief leads to confident actions, and confident action leads to better results. What is the cycle? So better feelings is equal to better thoughts. Better thoughts is equal to stronger beliefs. Stronger beliefs is equal to effective actions, and effective actions is equal to the better results. So better results leads to improved feelings. So we are here in the CI to develop new feelings and develop new skills and develop 8 career streams in CI. That's why we joined the CI in this batch. And speaking about the CI, I thank you Kirtan sir, and thank you CI community for letting me and giving me this opportunity to share this framework, new principle framework. So I have done 12 one-to-one communications. I have also completed the reading book challenge, as I am continuously traveling. So I am managing and attending all DSP, and that is accepted by Kirtan sir also. And I thank Kirtan sir for giving me this opportunity. Kirtan sir is a wonderful mentor in the CI, and I have done one-to-one communication with him also. He has guided me in every platform and to develop my skills in the my career also, my life also, my money also, my health also, everything.